Hi, I'm Richard Talbot from Mountain Equipment. I'm here to show you the new Tupilak series of climbing packs which launch this year. We've got three models, the Tupilak 30, the Tupilak 37 and the Tupilak 45. All ultra lightweight alpine climbing packs between 730 and about 800 grams. All feature this really innovative grappler one-handed adjustment system. They've got bespoke custom-made fabrics throughout. Key point being that they're really light, really durable. All the features on the pack, the side compression straps can be easily removed so that you can strip the pack down to a really lightweight and simple package.